When planning your wedding reception dinner seating plan, you may follow the traditional format, something you're used to seeing, but there's another option, and I'll share it with you in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle Mays, your Chief Concierge for Luxury Wedding Planning in New York and owner of Renee Michelle Events. I created this channel to help brides and grooms navigate their wedding planning process stress-free. If this is your first time visiting my channel, be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you'll always know when new videos are posted. So when you're planning your seating for your guests at your wedding reception dinner and you follow the traditional format, this is the one where you see the groom's family and friends seated at the same side that he is seated at the head table or sweetheart table. And you'll see the bride's family and friends seated on the same side where she's seated at the head table or sweetheart table. This is great because everyone is comfortable when they're seated with people that they know. But the option, mix and mingle is what I call it, where you help family and friends form bonds and create memories at your reception dinner. This is where you have cousins, let's say cousins from the groom's side of the family and cousins from the bride's side of the family sit at the same table and share stories and get to know each other. And you do the same with your friends, the ones that don't know each other already. You sit them at the same table and they get to share stories and create memories. Another option with this mix and mingle is that you have your parents sit at the same table, which showcases family unity. Let's be honest, there's so much that takes place during a reception. The dinner, the dancing, the entertainment, the cake, the games. So why not offer your family and friends the opportunity to get to know each other during these activities? And this way, when they're creating these memories and forming these bonds, who knows? They may find that they have similar interests, or they went to the same schools, or they lived in the same neighborhoods, or they know the same people. And these bonds and memories will last and create a snowball effect, let's say. So when you have other events and they see each other at other events, they quickly click and they connect. And this helps the family continue to be unified and continue to grow and develop. And tradition is great, but when you can create a spin on it and create memories that are different and help people get to know each other outside of that uncomfortable situation where they see each other only once or twice a year and they're trying to get to know each other, mix and mingle gives you another way of bringing that warmth and love that you want to showcase at your wedding. So after you created your mix and mingle seating plan, then you're ready to create your seating chart. You know, that beautiful display that you see as guests get ready to walk into the reception, the one where you probably seen it on Pinterest, on Instagram, the one that's caught your eye, where you have the table number or names and the names of the people sitting at that table. This is fun. And creating the seating chart takes away I guess takes away the stress, and adds another level of fun in your wedding planning process. So consider it. Consider mixing mingle seating plan for your wedding reception dinner. So if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, comment below. Be sure to click like, the notification bell, and subscribe, and share this video with other brides and grooms that you know who are planning and strategizing their seating for their reception dinner. Now click the frame to the right to watch another helpful video for planning your wedding stress-free. See you soon.